So this morning we got a rude awakening. Woke up around 7 o'clock and we heard a huge bang. My first reaction was, oh my God, somebody shot the horses. It's hunting season, right? Well, nope. It ended up, we came out and we started looking around and we found out
we blew a tire.
So we have a guy coming out today from Monroe County Truck and Tire Shop, I believe is what it's called, out of Bloomington, Indiana. And they're going to replace not one but two tires because we're not going to take the chance on the second tire that's cracked. So since we blew the one, we might as well change the other one. So we have two new tires on each side. So, or one tire on each side that's new. So we can get going all the way to Arizona and hopefully not have any more issues. So this is our site. We have here at Blackwell. We fenced off the horses here and we put them in the paddock over here at night. Oh, where am I? We put them in the paddock over here at night and then we just let them out here to graze on the grass during the day. And then over here is where the trail starts on this side of the park, and there's another trail on the other end of the park. The trails do require a permit of $5 per day here at Hoosier National Forest. So we are going to get a permit today and we're going to go for a ride. We decided to sell the farm and hit the road. We're on an adventure of a lifetime with our two horses, our two motorcycles, and our two dogs. I'm Rhonda, and this is Jay. We are Pleasure Ride RV. Hit the subscribe button to follow on our next adventure. I'm going to take a quick tour of this side of the park. I'm not going to walk the whole thing, but just to show you. They have 2-volt toilets on this side, and I believe there's 2 on the other end, and then there's a couple placed in other spots. They also have a brand new paddock that they built over here. take a quick walk over here and show you the new paddock that they have in. So all of the paddocks are pretty much brand new. They're putting in all new ones. And this is what they look like. They don't have a door, so you'll have to use something to put across the doorway. But this is the size. They're pretty big. I mean, we put both of our horses in, and then we just put some lead lines across the doorway. But they're pretty nice. So if you're here at Blackwell for a few days, and they do not supply water here, but if you have a way of transporting water, we have our handy dandy trusty water tank with a pump. You can get water up on 446 at the water tower. 50 cents. It'll fill your tank or whatever you need, and that's where we get our water for our horses. A little bit overgrown, some spots are. Said the bushes are a little overgrown in some spots on the. It's not too often you're riding in a bush and you come across a cemetery. Come on, by the bridge. Good girl. Good girl. Stay to the left. Stay to the left. They've got pea gravel down between tree logs. He was behind us. Okay. Kind of cool. The ravines and stuff in here. Lots of ravines. Good workout for the horses. Get down here, honey. Yeah, it's just a bridge. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good girl, honey. Good girl. Go up here. Come on. Nice view up here. It's hard to tell with all the trees in front, but it's a nice view. Oh, yeah, we gotta do switchbacks all the way down. Switchbacks all the way down. This way, honey. Okay. I'm not sure I can film this. No. No. I don't know. What's that? How you get down and get back up? Yeah, I think I figured it out now. Well, that wasn't so bad coming down. We came down from up there. Oh, the horses are thirsty.
Nice clean.
It is nice and clean water. Yeah, not this. So now, how do we get up there? Okay, where's the trail go from here? Oh, there's the stairway. So, there's a stairway. Off the edge. Yeah, I know. That's washed out.
Get over, Jack. Get over. Move your butt over. These are like hairpin turns. Okay, that's it. Our tire guy showed up. Gonna fix this all up. Those will be our new tires that we're going to put on. Which way, man? Come above it.
Making stuffed chicken breast.
I thought you watched it.
Some spices, some basil, and some garlic for the campfire.